In these 50 years, China has emerged as a strong voice for the developing countries and championed the purposes and principles of the UN Charter, upheld equity and justice, strengthened multilateralism, espoused equitable development, and as a responsible permanent member of the Security Council, has contributed immensely to peace and stability across the world. Pakistan takes immense pride in its friendship with China and in our own contributions to the lawful restoration of New China's seat at the UN and its reform and opening up.